Lunge with hips lateral. The starting position is standing upright and the feet parallel. You widen your stance and put one leg behind you. Bend the front leg and straighten the rear leg. The hip opens up and turns sideways. Keep the rear leg turned inwards so that the knee is pointing to the front and the foot lies across on the ground. Pay attention that the front leg describes a right angle. The knee should be positioned central over your foot. Keep the rear leg fully straightened and your body upright. Go into the stretch really deep. Try to extend your legs and stretch them away from you. And hold your body without support. Do about 2 to 3 repetitions on each side and hold the position for 10 to 20 seconds. Flexibility and mobilization exercise for gluteal muscles, hamstrings and adductors. Strengthening exercise for entire core, gluteal and leg muscles.